Hi fairies! Today I'm going to go to the thrift store and thrift flip. It's been like 5 months since the last time that I did this, so I wanted to do it again, especially because within 5 months my style has changed a bit. I do want to go to the thrift store and get some new clothing and turn it into really cute things because I do have really cool ideas. Also, you guys have been asking for a new one, so it works perfectly for the both of us. First thing though that I need to do is go change because I slept in this and I want to wear something that is going to be easy to change into since I will be trying on a lot of things at the thrift store. So let's go do that. We're in my closet area right here. Now I gotta decide what I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna look for some jeans and then my top. We have option number 1. These as well. For these, I feel like it'd be a hassle to wear them. And then I think for my dark ones, they don't fit me very well, so I would have to wear a belt, and then every time I change, I have to take off the belt. It's too much work. I think we're gonna go with these light blue jeans because they're the easiest to wear and they fit me perfectly, so I don't have to worry about wearing any belts or anything like that. And then for shirts, I think I'm gonna go with this one. This is probably the easiest one to wear out of this one's probably the easiest to wear out of all of them because it's just simple tank top. Just put it on, take it off. I have my outfit ready, really simple. And then I'm gonna wear my pink Ugg slippers because that's easier to change out of than shoes. Now that I have my outfit, I'm gonna go change into it and show you guys, and then we'll head over to the thrift store. So here's my before and here's my after. Okay, I feel like that outfit transition was horrible. Let's pretend like that didn't happen. Before I leave, I'm gonna tell you guys about today's sponsor. Thank you, Function of Beauty, for sponsoring this video. As you guys know, my hair is pretty dry and damaged because I dye it and bleach it so much. So it's kind of hard for me to find products that work well with my hair, but ever since I've been using Function of Beauty, that has changed. Function of Beauty has shampoos, conditioners, and other products that work specifically for your hair. On their website, they have a 2-minute quiz that you take so you can put in your hair type, hair goals, and you can even choose the name and the color of the products. For mine, I chose orange for the shampoo and pink for the conditioner, and they both smell like cherry blossoms. Their products have no parabens, sulfates, GMOs, or toxins, and they're 100% vegan and cruelty-free. The packaging is super aesthetic, and you even get to put your own name on the bottle. I've noticed that my hair has grown faster and became much smoother ever since I started using these. I actually plan on growing out my hair, and I want it to look shinier, so they sent me products that are great for hydrating and strengthening. Function of Beauty also offers other hair care products like this leave-in treatment, and whenever I use it always leaves my hair feeling smooth and looking good. Use my link down below to get 20% off your first order. Now I'm heading downstairs to eat some breakfast, and then I'll take you guys to a thrift store with me. To the thrift store, getting in the car right now. I'm gonna go to the same thrift store as last time because they had really cute things there, and I don't want to try out a new place and they end up having nothing. Hopefully they have really cute things because I have some really cute ideas in mind, and I'm really excited to show you guys. I want to get a lot of tops. I want to make a bunch of different versions. Like I want to make a halter top, crop top. I also have this idea of like making accessories to go with the outfits. Hopefully I find things that will work with it. So the goal of this thrift flip is to get a bunch of pastel clothing that's like really simple, and I want super light colors, also have it be like springtime vibes. Finally inside the thrift store. There's a lot of people this time. There's like a little girl in the back. I think she's trying to be on camera. This is really cute. Oh my god, I like this. Someone just recognized me. Oh my god, that's so cute. You guys want to say hi? There they are. Hi. What's your guys' name? Jasmine. Nice to meet you guys. I love your thrift flip. Thank you. Oh, you guys are so cute. Thank you. Nice meeting you guys. Bye. Look how cute this is. Is this not made for me? Oh, it has a little hole. I could fix that though. Maybe with like a little patch. I don't know. This is so cute. This is so cute. It's like, I don't know how you would describe this, but it's like see-through. I feel like this could look really cute. So like I said, I wanted to do a knit crop top. Like imagine if it's pink and then I did little flowers on it. Super cute. We're gonna get this. I think I found a top that could work for my idea because it's pink and it's gonna probably be really tight on me. I've kind of gone through the whole thrift store and we're having some issues. I wanted to do a few things and like 4 of my ideas I can't do. They have no silk dresses, no thick sweaters, and yeah, just not a lot of what I wanted. So I have a few things right here. Here's one of them on me. This is actually pretty cute. It's not what I had in mind, but I feel like I can make it work. Good job so far. I think this has potential. I'm gonna see in the end. We will see. You here's the total for 2 of my shirts. That's a really good deal. We just left Goodwill. I got 2 sweaters and a shirt for only $13. That is such a good deal. But like I said, I need more things, so we're gonna go to a different thrift store and find 2 other things at least. So we're at the second thrift store, and when I first walked in, there seemed to be different things. So hopefully I can find some good stuff. I found this really cute sweater. It's like a perfect pastel blue, and it's super soft and fuzzy. I found this really cute skirt, and I know I said I wasn't gonna do skirts, but when I saw this, I fell in love. And it has like a floral pattern on it. Fitting room part 2. You remember the blue sweater that I thought was so cute? It kind of looks ridiculous. Oh my goodness. I thought it was gonna look so cute on me, but the sleeves are like really poofy. I don't think you could tell on camera. So like I suspected, the skirt fits me really big. I feel like this is gonna look really cute. I'm excited. I'm in line now, getting ready to buy some things. We're going to the craft store that we always go to, and then I see this. They're going out of business. I'm so sad. I always go to this store. It's literally like 4 minutes away. Now I'm gonna have to go to a different one that's literally like 10 minutes away.
First thing we're gonna do is get some yarn. What are we getting yarn for?
For the sweater, because I'm gonna put little flowers on this.
Okay.
I really do not need this much yarn.
You're trying to get some lace?
Yeah, remember my idea?
Oh yeah.
Ooh, they have glittery though. That's cute. So I'm having a hard time deciding between these 3 to go onto this sweater, so I'm gonna make a poll and let my followers decide. But I'm not gonna be telling them what it's for, so whatever they pick is what I put on here.
And also, when we're done with the sweater, it's gonna go out to one of you guys. So comment your Instagram so we can DM you if you're a winner.
By the time that we're done shopping, we'll
hopefully,
see.
Yeah, hopefully they'll have decided.
Okay.
I think this one.
The pink is cute.
Yeah, the pink is cute.
So I got everything that I need. Now it is time to decide which button I'm gonna get. We're gonna see what my followers chose. The winner is the pink one. This is the one that I wanted, so thank you. We're done shopping. We got 5 things for $11. Last time it was more expensive, so good job to us. Hi fairies, I'm finally home, ready to show you guys everything that I got. We're gonna start with what I got at the craft store first, and then what I got at the thrift stores. We got this green yarn and this white yarn because I'm going to be sewing flowers on a shirt. Everything will be hand sewn. We're going to be using fabric tape, fabric glue, scissors. That's basically it. So if you don't know how to sew either, this is perfect for you guys. Really, if I can do this, then so can you. And then I also got this pretty lace. It has a pattern on it and some frill, which I think is really cute. And I'm gonna put that on a shirt. I got these buttons, which you guys actually chose on my Instagram. And I'm really happy about it because I wanted these out of all of them. So good job. I also got this rope. It's like white rope, and all of that was like $11 because sadly the craft store is going out of business, so everything was on sale. And now it's time to show you guys what I got at the thrift stores. So the first item we have here is this pink knit sweater. What I plan to do to this, I'm probably gonna crop it. And then I got this pink t-shirt. It's a kid's t-shirt because I wanted it to be tight on me. And at the bottom it has this truck thing on it, which I'm gonna crop. And then the last thing that I got from the first thrift store is this cute pale yellow sweater. This is so cute and it looked really cute on me, but knowing me, I know I'm probably just gonna wear this once. It will probably stay in my closet. So what I have in mind is to flip it, of course, but then give it away to one of you fairies. So if you're interested in winning this sweater once it's done, then feel free to comment down below and let me know that you want this. And now onto the second thrift store. I only got 2 things. I got this really cute skirt. It's like a long skirt. It's like really long on me. Basically, I'm just gonna make it look better on me. And then for the last item, we have this big old white soft sweater. For this one though, I'm not gonna flip it into a clothing item. It's going to be an accessory. Hopefully it turns out well. So I'm about to head upstairs now and I'm gonna try on these clothing for you guys so you can see what it looks like on me and so I can have a better understanding of what I want to do to them. So let's go up to my room. So here is the pink sweater on me. It looks really cute on me. Honestly, if I wasn't doing a thrift flip, I would leave it like this. We're gonna cut this into a tube top and then we're gonna add flowers on here. And I'm gonna do the flowers with these, and yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna do to it. Here is the yellow sweater on me. It's really fitted. That's why I think it's gonna look really cute as a cardigan. I'm gonna crop it probably like right here, so you know it could look good with some high-waisted jeans. And then I'm gonna put on these buttons. Here is the long skirt on me. Like I said, it was pretty big, so yeah, we're gonna snatch the waist and then we're gonna cut it shorter, and then I'm gonna add a slit on one side. And here is the little kid's t-shirt on me. Very fitted, really cute. I'm gonna crop it right above here, which I just realized is probably gonna be short. Probably gonna have to put elastic or something so I could keep it from staying and not lifting. Here is the sweater, and again, I'm not gonna try it on because it's not gonna be turned into a clothing item. It can be turned into an accessory. I'm gonna turn it into a mini bag. I feel like that's gonna look really cute. I always see these pictures of these mini bags. I feel like it's gonna be really easy to make. Oh, and I've never made a bag before, so I'm sorry if it comes out looking horrible. I'm back and I found a measuring tape. Okay, before I cut this, let's just take a moment to appreciate this beautiful sweater. Okay, that's cute. I'm gonna cut the other side and I'll be back with you guys. So you guys can see, I put little needles in to keep it in place. I've gotten a little fancier since the last time. And basically where you see the fold is at, I'm gonna put this double-sided fabric tape on the inside of the fold and then just press this down onto it, and it's gonna create a hem. So now I'm gonna do the same thing to all four sides. Literally gonna measure it and then fold it in so that can stick, and all four sides should look like this. Here is where we're at. I have the top piece and the bottom piece. Now the next thing I'm going to do is grab the double-sided tape and I'm going to put it on each edge of the top, and there you go. Look at it, it is complete. Basically, I'm just gonna repeat the same flower, put it on all the other flowers, put it onto these spots, and then I will be done with this. Here is the tube top complete. Look how cute it came out. Oh my god, I love it. So what we're going to do for this t-shirt is we're going to crop it. I'll do that off camera, so it'll be cropped. What I'm gonna do on camera is put the lace on here. We're just gonna follow the line of the collar, and that should be easy. So I'm now done putting the lace, and the last thing that I need to do besides cropping it is put something right here. And I was gonna put on a patch, but I felt like this looked cuter putting a little bow on it. So that's what we're gonna do instead. Here is the final thing. So now we're going to do fuzzy little bag. I'm gonna wing it. I'm gonna cut out the bottom of the bag. So here's where we're at so far. We have these two hemmed, and this one right here. So all that's left is the other side and the bottom side. Okay, so I'm basically done with the bag. Honestly, it doesn't matter if it looks kind of wonky because I'm going to do this to it basically. First, we gotta make the handles for it and then the rope. Okay, so I finished making the handles. Here they are. I have 2 and 2. And then what I'm gonna do is basically I'm just gonna twist them, and then I'm just gonna attach it onto each side of my bag. So I will have one like this and then another one like this, and that will be done for the handles. Then once you've tied it, it should look like this. This is so cute. Oh my god, I love it. And for this one, it's gonna be really easy. Basically, I'm just gonna make it fit me. So I have these clips right here in the back, and where it's clipped, I'm going to put tape on the inside so that it stays that way and it fits me right at the waist. Okay, so I already have it to where I want it, and I'm just gonna put glue. So I went from a very long skirt to like a knee-length skirt. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is cut a small slit in the front. So this is the sweater that I'm gonna be giving away. I'm gonna cut it, and I'm gonna use this shirt as template because I like the size of it. As you can see, we hemmed each side. And then the next thing I'm gonna do, because I feel like this would be really cute, is iron on a tiny little flower that has yellow on it. And then now I just need to sew on buttons, the pink buttons that you guys suggested, and I'll be done. So I'll show you guys the final product in a bit. for this video. Like and subscribe to join my fairy army. Also, I'll be reading all the comments, so let me know which thrift flip was your favorite. If you didn't like my video, I'm so sorry. Hit subscribe. Join fairy army. If you didn't like my video, why don't you like it? I'm so sorry. Not really. Hit subscribe. Hit that button. Join fairy army. Just join it, bitch.